Hey, this is Pierre Vidal talking. Do you know the concept of archiving a team? Who can archive a team? What happens when you archive a team? Why would you archive a team? So let's talk about who can archive a team first. Only team's owner can archive a team. When would you archive a team? It's when you're finished with your team, but you want still people to be able to access to the team and look at what has been stored and the posts. Still have access in read-only mode to the team. You can do that. Um, and maybe if you're seeing a lot of people talking about a subject, you want them to expand anymore, so you can archive a team so everybody won't be able to post anything in a team. There are several use cases, but the usual use case is you finish with your team, but you still want to give access to the people to the post and to the documents, but you don't want them to answer a post or upload the document. So now the next question is how you archive a team if you're a team owner. So you select the team icon here, and you go in the not three little dots, the wheel here, and you click on it. So it will show all your teams and what you can search your team. For example, I have a team where there's nobody, so I can test it. But first, I want to show you that when I'm not a team owner, so I'm going to try to archive a team. This one, for example, I'm not a team owner. I don't see anything to archive a team, but I'm going to pick up my champions team. I'm the owner. I'm the only one in the team, and I can see that I have a new menu here called archive a team, so I can archive a team from there. It's going to ask me, do you want to make the site in read-only mode? Because behind the team there's a SharePoint site. Yes, sure. I don't just want to block people to post. I also want block people to modify documents. So don't forget to check this box. I don't know what's not checked by default. It should be checked by default. That's my opinion. And then you click archive, and then your team is becoming archived, so it switched to archive. So if, for example, I just look at all my list, now I have active teams and I have archive team, and now it's in the archive team. And so when people go to the team, they cannot post anymore. They cannot, do any conversation. In the files, they won't be able to upload the file. There's an exception, the owner, I can upload a file. So if I go in my folder here, I can upload because I'm an owner. So I can still, as an owner, post documents, but not I cannot post messages. So that's a way you archive a team. And eventually, if you, for whatever reason, you want to go back and say, no, now I want to make it active again, then I select my archive team and restore the team, and it will switch to active team. And so now I can work again on my team. And so if I look for the champions team, it should be there. Let me open it. And now I can create a post. That's the concept of archiving a team and how you do it, who can do it, and why you should do it. Hope this was helpful.